Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta starter not turning and outlines commonly documented situations where the engine may not crank when the key is turned or the start button is pressed. This issue has been observed across different Fiesta model years and can vary depending on engine type, transmission, and electrical configuration. In some Ford Fiesta vehicles, a starter that will not turn may be associated with battery-related conditions such as low charge, internal battery failure, or poor terminal connections. Electrical supply issues can prevent sufficient current from reaching the starter motor. In certain cases, wiring connections, grounding points, or the starter relay may play a role. Some versions may also experience starter motor wear over time, where internal components no longer engage properly. On newer models, software-controlled starting systems or safety interlocks could be a contributing factor if the system does not detect proper conditions to allow cranking. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on the underlying cause and may include battery testing, inspection of cables and terminals, checking starter relays or fuses, and evaluating the starter motor itself. In vehicles with electronic starting systems, diagnostic scanning may be required to identify faults or communication issues. Available service data and broader owner feedback trends indicate that no single cause applies to all Ford Fiesta models. Differences in generation, usage conditions, and maintenance history can significantly affect how this issue presents. In conclusion, a Ford Fiesta starter that will not turn can have multiple contributing factors, and the exact cause can vary by vehicle, model year, and condition. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.